Okay, I want to know why Penny does this. She takes food out of the bowl and then sets it on the ground and then eats it. Oh, and now she doesn't do it, now that I've said something. As soon as I stopped recording, she did it again. Let's see if she does it. Nope. Come on, Penny. She's being cute all the time. Penny, you've got to stop. It's just ridiculous. I'm not mean at all. Penny, look at me. Penny? Oh, she's just gonna hide. She's embarrassed. I am so excited that we finally have a printer. I can finally print out coupons. I am so excited about this. It's not even, I mean, it's a really cheap printer from Target, and look, it's not even wireless, but I'm happy. I'm gonna be saving some money now, bitches. Penny. Hey. Penny. Penny, hey. Hey, Penny. Hey, Penny. Look at me, Penny. Penny. There we go. Hi. What's up? I'm just being annoying. Hello, I am about to drive, but I'm gonna try this month not to vlog while driving. We'll see if that happens. It's dangerous and I shouldn't do it. Anyways, I have this list of stuff to do today. When I make a list, I actually remember things. Otherwise, I kind of make a list in my head in the morning and I end up doing only one of those things or two of those things because I'm terrible and I forget things. Hooray. I just want to show you guys how ridiculous Penny is when I come home. Here she is in her little crate. And she's just gonna give me eye. Watch. Did you just wink at me? Okay, come out. Come on out. I can't keep up. Ah, you're doing your wiggle worm. Hey, calm down. Isaac just called me from his work and apparently he forgot a couple kind of important things. He forgot both his wallet and his phone. What a dork. Okay, now I feel like an idiot because after I told you guys that he forgot his phone here, immediately afterwards, I tried texting him to let him know that I'm running late. And then I heard his phone go doing, 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 and I'm like, oh, are you kidding me? You know you can't. Oh, never mind, she can. Okay. As I mentioned, I had a list of things to do today, and I really thought that I was going to be good and get them all done. And I was doing okay. But then I went on the computer to check one thing. And I'm sure you can guess how that went. Yep, so now I have to do a million things in 30 minutes. Hooray! Dinner time. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
You were watching videos. Bears. Beats. Battle. Star. Galactic.